So a lot of people are going to talk to you about easy chocolate cake recipes, but let me tell you, this is the easiest recipe you can make. Not only is it only 4 ingredients, it's moist, it's rich, and it's gluten-free. After a lot of research, I came across a lot of easy recipes that I felt had a bunch of unnecessary ingredients and didn't unlock the full potential in flavors. And as a pastry chef, I often find that the best recipes are the simplest ones. And this is a recipe I've used in many plated desserts, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys. For this recipe, you won't even need a cake tin. All you'll need is a bowl and a sheet tray. And the salted Nutella mousse consists of 3 ingredients and tastes better than any frosting you can make. So if you want to learn how to make a restaurant quality cake in less than 20 minutes, keep watching. Jumping right into our chocolate sponge, we're going to start with 320 grams or 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 165 grams or 1.5 sticks of room temperature butter. You want to paddle this mixture until it's completely combined. Then we're going to add in 400 grams or 8 large eggs, one at a time, making sure that each egg is completely combined after each addition. Lastly, we're going to add 120 grams or 1 cup of sifted cocoa flour in 3 additions. When you start mixing it, it might appear that the mixture has split, but don't worry, it will come back together. And since there's no gluten in this recipe, we don't have to worry about overmixing the batter. Once your batter is ready, you can spread it onto a lined sheet tray. Try to get this as level as you can so that we have beautiful layers in our cake. Then we're going to bake this at 325 for about 15 minutes. You'll know the cake is ready when the cake feels bouncy to the touch and the toothpick comes out clean. While our cake is cooling, let's get started on the mousse. We're going to start by whipping 250 grams or 1 cup of heavy cream to soft peaks. Then we're going to take 150 grams or half a cup of Nutella and whisk in a small amount of our cream to lighten the base. Then we're going to repeat this process one more time. Once our base has begun to lighten, we can switch to a spatula, and at this point I'm going to add a generous pinch of kosher salt and continue to fold in our cream, and then the world's easiest mousse is complete. Now that our cake is ready, we're going to turn it over a cutting board and peel off our parchment paper or silpat in my case. Then I'm just going to cut the edges off of the cake to make 4 really straight edges. And once we've done that, we're going to cut our cake into 3 even slices and place the ugliest slice on the bottom. Now we can finally begin to assemble our cake by adding in thin layers of that mousse we just made, followed by a layer of cake. And for our top layer, I'm just using a small spatula to create these really organic and rustic waves all over the top. And finally, lightly dusting it with cocoa powder to finish it off. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's recipe. I absolutely love this one because the chocolate flavors just shine through and everyone loves a moist cake. So give it a try and let me know how you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, so good.
Smash the like and subscribe button and comment down below of what you want me to do.